Let's now move away, still talking about bail applications, this time around to talk a bit about Dele Farotimi. I want to assume that you've been maybe brought up to speed regarding the case. The initial report we got was that he had been granted bail by the Federal High Court in Ado-Ekiti on Monday, and then it turns out that at the court hearing on Tuesday, he was denied bail. It's a bit confusing. We've seen a flurry of reactions on social media to this, but let's get your thoughts.
The last I heard about it was that he was granted bail. The details were not very clear, were sketchy, except for what you're saying now, that he's been denied bail. What the information I got was that he has been granted bail. His offense also is bailable. His offense is one that is very controversial because the issue under which he was arrested is an issue that ordinarily should have come under civil litigation. Okay, but because the complainant himself decided to go through a police complaint, and a complaint before the police, exercising the provisions of the criminal code to bring that action under criminal defamation is one that is controversial. It's correct that criminal defamation exists, okay? But it has been watered down. The reason it's watered down a bit. If I defame you, it's between I and you. I mean, the state is not affected. Nothing. I mean, but then it is people have condemned this because when you go through police complaint to bring a criminal defamation, what you are doing is that you are deploying state resources to deploying state resources, okay, to prosecute a personal injury case that ought not to be under that thing. Okay, and when you look at it further, that is why sedition was abolished some time ago, and that is why Lagos and Ogun State also have abolished criminal defamation. Ordinarily, you are supposed to bring that in civil court and then demand for damages and apologies and all that. Okay, but bringing it under a criminal, I mean, mess the whole thing up. At the end of the day, what you have is this man is being dragged. I mean, the process of his arrest too is a violation of his right. Okay, and that is also pending, which he may want to exercise after the whole thing has died down. The way he was arrested, executed, and all that calls for the question in our criminal justice system. He resides in Lagos. People have argued that because the book was read in Ekiti and all that, then you can establish defamation wherever it is. But the issue of jurisdiction also holds a strong sway, no matter on that reference.
Right.
Okay, so the truth is that whether or not he has been granted bail, we will have to rely solely on the court of law for that information and all that.